In this video, I am going to show you on how you can set up a trigger for out-of-office replies in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to your top left, click on Support, and then go to Admin Center. Before we begin, we must first need to check our business schedule or business hours. To do that, go to Objects and Rules, and then click on Schedules. Out of office replies means a reply happens or will happen when the trigger is set during time that no business hours is found. So let's first check our business hours. For example, as you can see, this is currently our business hours. So if a ticket is created or made during the time where there is no business hours, an automatic reply should be issued. So next is go to trigger. We're now going to make a trigger for out of office replies. So let's first make a trigger name. Automatically reply to customers outside of business hours. And then for the description, if a customer contacts us outside of business hours, they will receive an automatic reply. This is our description. Mhm. Let's just choose any category for now. Now, there are four conditions right here that we need to do. First is ticket, and then ticket status. Operator is value new. Another one would be ticket within business hours. So let's type it in. So choose within business hours here. And then for the next is, and then the value would be no. After that, ticket again, agent replies less than one. And lastly, ticket panel is, and then email. After that, for the actions, our category would be notify by user email. And then the recipient would be the requester. Then put in an email subject and an email body that you want to be received by those who message you during out of office. After that, click on create trigger, and that's it. You now have an automatic reply which will trigger when customers outside of your business hours reply to your emails. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.